Hi, this is Edwin. You're watching CJ and Jessy on Just Connect.
Doing here? Oh no, I just went from out of my home, drive out of the city, and then I get to the crossing of the freeway, and there were two coppers, one in non-copper car and the other one in a copper car, coming off the freeway with lights on and noise, and one passed before me and the other one went behind me. I was like, what the fuck are you two doing? And one in front of me was going on the freeway, so I left the other one to pass also, and this was going on the freeway also, full gas, and I thought, okay, where they're going, and one of them go through and the other one stopped, hit his brake really hard, stopped on the side and turned his light on, and was standing there. I thought, yeah, what now? Why are you doing that? Why the fuck are you going to pass me with so much light and noise and then stop after 100 meters? So irritating. And you see everybody thinking like, where do I need to go? Which side do I need to go? Just let them pass. There's always room to let them pass, but I still don't know why the fuck that was. And why there was a non-seen police car in it, because it was totally dark as well. Normal police car, so yeah, no idea what's going on here. Just a weird start of the morning, guys. I also heard something on the news about Texas and an explosion in a factory there or something like that. I don't know, I didn't get it all. But again, something in America, but this is a normal incident probably. But still, if there's that on Earth, that's not nice. It's, yeah, 2 days in America, 2 days big news from there is not good. So yeah, on the way to the office. I'm going to leave a little bit early today because I need to go to the physio. And I'm working tomorrow also a half day probably. So I think it will be like that, we'll see if it doesn't change today. And for that, yeah, I just say good morning. It's the 18th of April, so it's VEDA Day 18. And yeah, let's see. Oh, and I answered on a vlog from HLJ9081, also known as Our Little Life UK, and I said something about him singing Gira Joling there, and I said something, do you know the Toppers, and he was answering back like, what is the Toppers? So I just shipped him a link on Twitter to tell him what the Toppers were. Let's see what he thinks of that. I also reacted to his answer, of course, but yeah, let's see what the English gay guys think of the Toppers.
Good morning, guys. It looks like it's a nice sunny Thursday morning. Are we really having sun this morning? I think we are. Oh yeah, look. Focus. Look, the sun's shining. I love it when the sun shines. Oh, I actually got a better night's sleep last night. I finally discovered that it's easier to roll from my left side to my back than it is to roll from my right side to my back. So I've been sleeping mostly on my left side all night, and yeah, I've actually got some fairly decent sleep. I'm still tired, my body's still worn out from all the spasms, but oh well, there's not much I can do about that. It's daylight in here, although the blinds aren't open. It's time for me to go open those and get some breakfast and then see what I will do for the rest of the day. Oh, I am so tired, it is ridiculous. And you know what? It's such a nice day out there. I really want to be out there. But Jessy's at work, so I can't. I'm thinking of going to take a shower because as long as I'm moving, I don't seem to have any spasms, although I'm in pain. So I think I can do it safely without Jessy being here. Maybe it will make me feel better. I feel horrible. I don't know what it is, but I think the cold that I had for weeks and weeks and weeks has now turned into hay fever in my eyes. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, my eyes are all blurred, they're all runny and horrible, and I'm a bit sneezy. But that's what you get if you want to enjoy the nice weather. Well, as you can see, I survived the shower, but no, my hair didn't survive the clippers. I needed to cut it, it was annoying the crap out of me, so it's gone, and I feel a little bit better now that I've taken a shower. The wind is so hard blowing outside, it's a bit scary. I don't know where the wind came from, but I don't like it, it scares me. Anyway, I'm gonna make myself a cup of tea, I think, and there's an hour before the chat, so I think I might play on the DS, maybe?
Hallo! Daar ben ik weer. Oh, wacht. Deutsch? Nein? Oh, English! Ah, dat is wel het. Hello? Yeah, great, I know. I'm driving home and I'm driving to the other side, but it's a bit windy here, so it's also a bit... How can I tell you this? It looks foggy, but it isn't. It's all sand. Yeah, the wind's so hard that it's driving all the sand from the land that's here, the dry land, over the thing. Look, you can totally see it, don't you? It looks so fucking weird when you're driving through this. It's like, hello, little sandstorm. And yes, I'm not driving home yet. I'm going to the physio first. I need to go to the physio at the city. And it doesn't matter for me if I go left or right, so I can go there. That's no problem. Still no clue what's gonna happen at work. I probably need to go tomorrow morning if not, they will advise me. But let's see. And yeah, no clue what we're gonna do next week yet, so we will see. Yeah. Look guys, this is what I'm meaning. Coming into one now. This is really ridiculous. Wind is coming from the right side, land is dry. Look what I get then. Incoming! Hold on guys, we're going through it. Doesn't that look weird? It looks so weird to go through that. You said what?
Brown beans, I think I love you. Brown beans are like my favourite vegetable ever.
She said she loved me. Somebody told me today I'm your caretaker.
Who told you that?
The physio.
Oh, he did?
Yeah.
Well, that's kind of right. That's what you said in our trailer the other day.
Yep. It's just one thing. Because she's English, I probably won't get anything for it. But we will see. I need to find out more stuff, he said. So
okay.
I'm gonna call the government for it.
Interesting.
Sending emails and stuff like that.
Yep.
Happy dinner time!
Enjoy. I should have picked the camera up and turned it at you so I could sing the Oompa Loompa song at you. What?
No singing.
No singing?
No singing.
I've got the perfect puzzle for you.
I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas.
Well, wait with the stupid Christmas song. It's not Christmas, is it, Internet? You're hiding from me, Internet.
Yep.
They're not allowed.
They always do that.
They do?
Yep.
I don't believe that. Am I that scary?
Spots.
Spots? Oh, on the bed.
1, 2, 3.
3 fluffies.
Yeah, nobody guessed.
Nobody watched past the intro.
No. Outro.
Oh yeah, outro. I always get that word wrong.
She's saying the outro is the intro. Guys, help me out. What's an outro?
The one at the end.
And what's an intro?
The one at the beginning.
And where were the fluffies?
At the end of the one at the end.
And which one?
I forgot.
Yeah, put it in the subscription box.
Yeah, come on, help me out, guys.
Yeah. So, hello. It's Thursday evening, and because I need to work tomorrow morning, we're going to say
good night, Internet.
And don't forget, just
connect.